This is how you can find the Norfolk Record Office online catalogue to see what records, school records are available. So if you go to the catalogue page and go to the advanced search option and type in the parish or the school name. I prefer to use the start off with using the parish name, so I'm going to look for Felthorpe and add a new criteria, and I'm going to add in school here and click search to see what we get. We get a whole list of material, including some audio records from Radio Norfolk. We've got a plan book. We've got the Norfolk County Council Education Department records, which are the ones that we're really interested in. If we look here, it says C/ED2 are the logbooks of closed schools. So looking down this list, we can see lots of C/ED. And we've got a C/ED2 here. So let's click on that to see what we've got. So we have a Felthorpe School logbook from January 1876 to 1896. If we look further down, we can see that it's available on microfilm, and it gives us the microfilm number. So if you were visiting the Norfolk Record Office, you can have a look at that particular logbook by looking at that microfilm, and you can also have a look at our companion tutorial, which shows you how you can also access some logbooks using the subscription site Find My Past.